Good day guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching this video. My name is Adibao Sunday as usual. I'm a filmmaker, assistant, and a web designer, and at the same time I'm a learner, learning full stack web development. So I think in my last video I posted a video on how it looks like what we experienced learning a full stack web development in Nigeria. So you can check the video on my YouTube channel. That was the last video I did before making this one. So you can check it out and try to see what we face here at the Nigeria learning full stack web development. But today I don't want to talk about something else and at the same time something related to that. So initially, many people have the skills of web designing with WordPress and scripts because initially that was what I learned first. Because I already have the skills of smartphone filmmaking, like editing, cinematography, and but that's not enough. Everyone is looking for a way, for one or two ways to monetize his or her skills. So after I enrolled for YouTube, after learning this web designing with WordPress and scripts, so I was like, I try to do what other people do, like looking for people to hire you. I tried signing up on Upwork, Fiverr, and even on LinkedIn for what I calling it. I don't even know anything much about that one. I don't even know how to operate that one. Yeah. So it was even someone that told me that I should try and make use of it. So I was like, okay, it's fine. But initially with these skills, the problem we face is that apart from learning these skills, how are we going to monetize ourselves with these scripts? That is the major problem we face nowadays. Like, it's not that easy. Like Nigeria, everything will just be a problem. But it's not only in Nigeria, but I think I found a solution to that. Yeah, even though the solution is something that will require your consistency. So like I tried signing up on Upwork, Fiverr, everything I tried is not working for me actually. But recently a little thing worked for me, though it's not a quick reach stuff because it's something that will require consistency. It will require consistency. So what I'm trying to say is that with web designing with WordPress and script skill, you can also make a good income for yourself. Initially I've been planning on how I can be a full-time and like how I can be a work from home guy. Like I wish to be working from home. I don't just like actually I'm just done with my degree, and learning this web designing with WordPress and script stuff, it takes me a month to learn it and master it. And I think around February, during my last sessions in college, in university. So during my last session in university, I learned these skills, and that's around February. And within that moment, I grabbed the skill and I created my first project around March. So, but apart from that, I need to work on how I would start making income with this. But though I tried different methods, but none of them is working. Some works, but some do not work. But mine is something that I will have to, that I would know that yes, this is what worked for me, and I will put in every effort that is required. And so everything, hard work, consistency, and so on. So initially, learning these skills is a good idea at first. So it's after this I think of enrolling into full stack web development course, because that one I think I really have interest in it after studying this web design with WordPress and script stuff. So I just want to have the whole knowledge. I wish I could have the whole knowledge. So that was what pushed me into that. Now speaking of this WordPress web design and web design with scripts, so even though with full stack web development skills, I think apart from looking for people up and down that will hire you or that will give you works, I think there's something else that works. So I'm saying this for the purpose of those that want to start learning it, or for those that are already into it and they are trying to figure out how to make money with it. So stuff like that. So the best thing for you to do is to make sure that you discover a problem. Try and look out there and discover what problem people are facing these days in this area or in this in this field, of in that skill. So a lot of people are having one or two problems with that skill though, but you just try and figure out what could be the problem and check out everything, know every details of the problem, and make sure you try to do something, create something that will solve the problem. So in most cases, there are a lot of problems that can be solved using WordPress skills and how should I put it? Using WordPress skills and web design skills and web development skills. There are a lot of problems that can be solved with that. Actually, while doing it, I've been thinking of something else. So, what was I saying? Try and look out there, research what are the problems people are facing that can be solved with this skill. So try and research around the problem and try and create something that can solve the problem. So after doing that, you can monetize yourself. Though it may not be a quick rich stuff, but with your consistency, once you have something that will be working on with your consistency, then I tell you, you'll start making cool income. Like hi now, I try and look out for a problem. Yeah, I think okay fine, this problem can be solved using this web design skills. Initially I was like, wow, so with this I think I can do something better. Then I try and created a website that is ready to solve the problem. So after I created the website, I make sure that I monetize it I monetize my website in 2 ways, because the website is something that is ready to provide solution to people's problem. So, and at the same time, you need people to use your website. Initially, I have someone chatting up with me. Actually, the website will remain anonymous, but at the same time, there's someone that I know he has interest in stuff like that. So presently, the person is chatting up with me, telling me to sell the websites for him. Actually, and right now we are talking around. This is Nigeria, though we are talking around. 200,000 naira, and so but we are talking around 200,000 naira. But the guy was like, "Come on, covenant, that's too much. That's pretty too much. That's." But see, I tell you, there are a lot of opportunities out there that you can make, that you can grab with this skill. So what am I saying is this? I would love to say this as well. Please, and please. The world is becoming the world of digital. Make sure that you have a skill. Initially, what pushed me into all these things? The first thing is that I have passion to know or to learn this thing. But what was the second thing? See, during my school times, I was into a lot of debt. Like, I was like, how am I going to settle all these things? How am I going to solve myself? How am I going to, I have a lot of things running in my head. So most of the time, and then all this idea come up, all this idea pop up. So initially, what am I saying is this? Please, and please, the world is now becoming the world of digital. Make sure that you grab yourself a skill, a digital skill, something good enough to be giving you an income. Grab a skill, learn it, master it. Make sure that you learn. Don't just, a lot of people paid for a huge course, and after paying for it, they even fail to master it. They even fail to learn it. So please, and please, after grabbing a skill, make sure that you improve yourself on that skill. Research around it. Try to make yourself a better person. There will always be someone that is an expert in this thing, but make sure that you do not lag behind. Make yourself a better person. So what am I saying is this? With any skill you have, try and get a problem around that skills, and at the same time provide solution. After providing solution, then make sure that you do what? Make sure that you monetize yourself. So I think this works with let me say with consistency. Guy, you can make it. you can make it. You can make it out. You can make it big with consistency. So guys, thank you for taking your time to listen to this video. And so I would love to say this at the end, that if you want to learn either smartphone filmmaking or this web design skills, I am sincerely available for you. I'm sincerely available for you. So I will drop my the link to my WhatsApp. I will drop it in the description box below. I will drop it in the description box below. Click on the link, message me, and let us talk things out. So don't just do that alone. I have a lot of videos on this YouTube channel as a filmmaker. I implore you to go through it, pick a video, learn it, and pick a video, watch it as a way of appreciating me. Thank you so much for this. Wait, what have I done for you that you want to appreciate me? Actually, I just share an idea with you now. So as I said earlier, this thing will require consistency. It will require consistency, and most of the time your consistency comes with capital, but invest on something that will sincerely bring a good out. So thank you so much. Thank you guys for choosing this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to this video, then don't forget to like it, and don't forget to share it to anyone that you think will be in need of this video. So thank you guys. See you in the next videos. Bye. So obviously in the next videos I'm going to share a lot of things around this web design and stuff that is going to actually catch your interest if you watch this. So what am I saying? Don't forget to grab a skill. We are in Nigeria and we are in digital era. Thank you so much, guys.